How to fix Android battery drain after update safe method. Is your Android battery draining fast after the latest update? Here's the safe method to fix it. So updates can cause the battery drain due to background processes, misbehaving apps, or new settings. So first restart your phone, long press the power button on your device, and then select restart from here. And then check for minor patches. Manufacturers often release fixes after bug updates. Second is to boot into recovery mode and clear the cache partition. This removes leftover files that drain power. Third is to optimize apps. So on your settings, go ahead and search for battery, and then on battery, look for app usage. Restrict or optimize apps that run too much in the background. If the drain continues, reset network and app preferences. This is safe, it won't delete your files. Most battery drain after updates is fixed by clearing cache, optimizing apps, and safe resets. Your phone will last longer again, and that's how to fix Android battery drain after updates. Did this help your phone? Comment below.